Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And oh my gosh, guys, I have an amazing deal for you guys. Actually, I have about 5 different ways that you can do this deal. We have an awesome glitch on the Gillette razors and refills right now. I'm going to explain everything. Please stay tuned. Watch the video all the way through to the end because these are some awesome deals that you cannot pass up. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow, and this is an awesome video. So hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're going to go out and do this deal or if you've already done it. And please share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Share it on Facebook, send it to a friend, send it to yourself, send it to your husband, whoever. But please share the video, and let's jump right in, guys. So before we get to the deals, just a quick disclaimer. Keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, guys. Keep that in mind. Make sure that you scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the coupons are still attaching and that this glitch is still a go. Also, scan your items to price check because prices do vary from store to store. Hey guys, alright, good morning. I am filming this before I take the kids to school, so I'm kind of in a rush, but I wanted to try to get as much done as possible so I can get this video done and out to you guys. But I wanted to tell you guys about this Gillette deal. This is a run deal. Okay, I spent pretty much all day at Dollar General. I went to like 3 different stores. I was set out just going to do like a couple $5 challenges and ended up doing like 5 different transactions, okay? But I found a lot of really good deals. I found a few more glitches. This is a really, really good one, and I've got some more that I'm going to tell you guys about in the next video. So be on the lookout for that. That'll be up later today or tomorrow morning at the latest. I also found some really cute stuff that is on sale right now. So I've got a lot to show you guys. But to get into this deal, this is what my transaction looked like, but I'm going to break it down really simple for you guys so that you can tailor the deal how you want it done depending on which coupons you have on your account. But this is a crazy good deal. I don't know if it will last very long because it does include a DG store coupon. Usually the P&G coupon glitches do last all month or until the coupons expire. But this is a DG store coupon, so they could fix it at any time. So you want to make sure that you go out to the store and at least do this deal once. And if you have multiple accounts, save one of your accounts for Saturday, and we'll cross our fingers and hope that it's still working. That's my plan anyway. So I'm going to actually go to the store again after I drop these kids off at school. But anyway, so we're going to jump in to the first deal, the first way that you can do this deal. Alright guys, so the first way that you can do this deal just depends on, I'm sorry for the coloring on this, the light is really bad this morning. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this deal. The first one is, it really just all depends on which coupons you have clipped to your account, okay? The first way is you can pick up 2 of the 4-count refills, the buy one get one free Gillette coupon, which is supposed to give us a Gillette shave gel for free when you purchase one of the Gillette products. That is glitching and giving us one of the refills for free. So, it was not working on the razors. It's only working on the refills, as far as I know. From what I could scan in my store, what they had in stock, and what I could find on like the price tags and stuff. So, look out for these Gillette Mach 3 razors. You can pick up 2 of these. These are $9.95 each. That is going to put your subtotal at $19.90. You're going to use 3 coupons. The buy one get one free coupon. We have a 4 off 1 manufacturer coupon. We have a 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon. If all 3 of those coupons come off at the register, that is going to leave you paying just $2.95 for both. So you went from 20 bucks all the way down to $2. That puts these at $1.47 each. So that is a great deal. That's a run deal, guys. Especially if you are a reseller. I mean, even if your hubby uses these or your your sons or your grandkids or whoever, this is an awesome deal. So there is another way that you can work this deal. Like I said, depending on which coupons you have clipped to your account, if you only have that 4 off one and the 3 off one, you'll pay $2.95. If you have clipped the 6 off 2 to your account as well, it's very possible that that one will come off first. So if you have the 6 off 2 clipped to your account as well, you may end up paying $3.95. So the buy one get one free coupon, this DG store coupon, then the 6 off 2 will come off, and that will leave you paying $3.95 for 2. That puts these at $1.97 each. That's still a really great deal. Like I said, $20 to $2. You can't beat it, guys. All right, so now I'm going to kind of rearrange things, and I'm going to show you 2 more ways that you can do this deal. All right, guys, so here is another way that you can do this deal. If you have all 4 of those coupons clipped to your account. Now, this is a little bit more out of pocket, but it's still a great deal. Still a great deal. You can't go wrong with this Gillette glitch. Anyway, so you want to pick up 4 of the refills. I know I'm only showing you 3. I only have 3. I'm going to go to the store after I drop these kids off and try to pick up some more if I can find them. So if you want to pick up 4 of the refills at $9.95 each, that is going to put your subtotal at $39.80. All 4 of the coupons will come off, so the buy one get one free coupon. Sorry, my voice is cracking this morning. So the buy one get one free coupon, the 4 off 1 coupon, the 3 off 1 coupon, and then the 6 off 2 coupon. Like I said, 4. Picture 4 here. 4 of the refills. That is going to leave you paying $16.85. You're going to get a 501 at the bottom of your receipt. So we have this promotion going on right now for when you spend $15 on P&G products, you're going to get a 501 coupon on the bottom of your receipt for your next off your next purchase, or whichever. You guys know what I mean. It's still early, guys. Bear with me. So it'll look like this. Thank you for your purchase of $15 or more on P&G products. Your $5 off coupon is below. So off your next purchase of 501 or more. These expire on the 22nd, and I had that wrote down when this deal ends, but I will update you guys on the next video on all that stuff. So anyways, you're going to get that 501 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. That is going to make your final price $11.85 for 4. Keep in mind 4, not 3. 4. And that will make these $2.96 each. So it's still a great deal. That's all the way from $40 down to your final price is $11.85 at $2.96 each. So basically $3 a piece. You cannot beat it. From $9.95 to $3. All right, guys. So there is one more way I'm going to show you guys how to do this deal. Because of the P&G deal, we have a lot of P&G coupons. So I'm going to cut to the next little clip and show you what I did at the store yesterday. Alright guys, so here is how I worked the deal. I still had those Crest coupons. Now you can use, we have a lot of P&G coupons that you can incorporate into this deal to get your subtotal to $15 so that you can get that 501 at the bottom of your receipt. We have Swiffer, we have Crest, we have Pantene, what else? I can't think off at the top of my head, but we have a lot that you can work with to throw in with these. We have Febreze. That would be a good one. The buy one, get one free Febreze coupons. So look through your coupons if you want to work this deal this way. So here's what I did. I picked up one of the razors. These are $6.25. I picked up 3 of the refills, $9.95 each. So 3 of them are $29.85. So my subtotal for these 4 was $36.10. After the coupons, though, I hadn't met that $5. I was $2 away. So I still have my Crest coupons. I picked up one of the Scope for $3 and one of these Crest toothpaste for $2. After the 3 off 2 coupon came off, that gave me my $2 that I needed to get to $15. So, let me see, looking at my notes here. So, my subtotal was $41.10. I used the buy one, get one free Gillette, the 4 off 1, the 3 off 1, and the 6 off 2, and the 3 off 2 for the Crest, right? Subtotal after coupons was $15.15, and I received a 501 at the bottom of my receipt. Like I said, it looks like that. So that put my final price at $10.15, making each item just $1.69 each. So that's a really great deal in my book, especially if you have all of those coupons clipped to your account. There's really no way that you can get around it. You can just pick up the 2. Like I said, you do not have to pick up 3 or 4, however many. You can just pick up the 2 and either pay $2.95 for 2, so that's $1.47 each, or $3.95 for 2, that is $1.97 each. But like I said, with this deal that I did right here, it put them at $1.69 each. I have that 501 coupon that I can use. Again, I can use that later on in the week. So that's a really good deal in my book. Alright guys, so you are not going to get through one of my videos without having some slides that you can screenshot and take in the store with you. So here is our first deal that I told you guys about. It's buy 2 of the Gillette refills. Use the buy one, get one free, the 4 off 1 and the 3 off 1. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons at $2.95 for 2, or $1.47 each. And here's the second deal that we talked about. So you want to pick up 2 of the Gillette refills. That's going to put your subtotal at $19.90. You are going to use the buy one, get one free coupon and the 6 off 2. So just in case you have all 4 of those coupons clipped to your account, the 6 off 2 may come off first. So your subtotal after coupons will be $3.95 for 2, or $1.97 each. And here's the third deal that I told you all about. So if you want to pick up 4 of the Gillette refills, that's going to put your subtotal at $39.80. You're going to use all 4 of the Gillette coupons. So the buy one, get one free, the 4 off 1, the 3 off 1, and the 6 off 2. Your subtotal after coupons will be $16.85. You're going to get a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, so do not throw that receipt away. That will make your final cost just $11.84 for 4. Or just $2.95 each, which is still a great deal. And here is the fourth way. Here's how I did my first Gillette deal. But I have another way that you can do this deal, so just hang tight for just a second. But for this deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Gillette refills at $9.95 each. 1 of the Gillette Mach 3 razors for $6.25, 1 of the Crest with Scope for $3, and 1 Crest toothpaste for $2. Your subtotal will be $41.10. You're going to use the buy one, get one free coupon, the 4 off 1, the 3 off 1, and the 6 off 2 Gillette. Then you're going to use the 3 off 2 Crest. Your subtotal after coupons will be $15.15. You're going to get a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Your final price will be $10.15 for 6 items, or just $1.69 each, which is a great deal. Alright guys, so I am back from dropping off the kiddos. I ran into DG and put together this quick little scenario. I know that a lot of you guys do not have the Crest coupons anymore, so this is a way that you can do this deal. Now, one thing that I am noticing is I have been to 2 different Dollar Generals and they barely have enough in stock to do the deal once. So as you can see here, I've picked up 3 of the refills. They only had 4 in stock, so I could have just picked up 2 on one account and 2 on another account and paid the $2.96 or whatever it is. I've lost my notes here, but you know, I could have went ahead and used 2 different accounts, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to go ahead and pick up the 4. So just keep that in mind. If you have a lot of couponers in your area, you want to get to DG today, do this deal ASAP. Don't worry about it not being there on Saturday, because this is a deal that you cannot pass up, okay? So for this little quick scenario that I threw together, I picked up one of the razors and 3 of the refills. If you do that, you are $2 away from hitting that $15 P&G deal. So you have to spend $15 out of pocket in order to get that $5 coupon back. That is very, very important. So I picked up the Tide Simply Pods. That is $2.95 after the coupon. That added 95 cents to my transaction. Then I was like, well, I'm only $1 short. So I picked up one of the Dawn dish soaps for $1. So that put my subtotal at $15.10, right on the line. So the coupons that I used were all 4 of those Gillette coupons. So the buy one, get one free, the 4 off 1, the 3 off 1, and the 6 off 2. And then I used the 2 off 1 Tide coupon. So that is another glitch that is going on this week. It is working on the Tide Simply Pod 13 count, and it is working on the Refreshing Breeze or the Fresh Scent. So the blue or the green pack. That makes those just 95 cents after the coupon is applied. So after coupons, like I said, my subtotal was $15.10. I did receive the $5 coupon on the bottom of my receipt, so that made my final cost $10.10 for 6 items, or just $1.68 each, which is a wonderful deal in my book. We've got some dish soap, which we usually don't get a whole lot of really good deals on Dawn dish soap anymore. So that's a really great filler item. Even if you just wanted to do this deal and throw in 2 of those $1 Dawn dish soaps and leave out the Tide Pods, you can always pick those up on Saturday. This will be a really great deal. So I am super happy about this. I am super excited for you guys. I cannot wait to upload this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you are going to run out and do this deal, or if you have already done it. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get out there and score some of these awesome deals. If you do, please come back and leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know how it turned out for you. Now, like I said before, I will be uploading another video where I found some new glitches that I do want to tell you all about. So that will be uploaded either later today or early tomorrow morning. And I'm also going to be doing a P&G insert giveaway this week. So as soon as I have those in my hand, I will be uploading a P&G insert preview video. So be on the lookout for that. And don't miss out on your chance to win some P&G inserts. And that is with the Tide and Gain coupons. So stay tuned for that. Before you exit out of this video, don't forget to do all of the things. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below, or run to DG, do the deal, and then come back and comment and let me know how you did. And also, don't forget to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, good luck. I hope you score. Come back, let me know about it. I hope y'all have a wonderful, fantastic day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.